Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can back up your data to the computer, or technically using a computer. So for this you will need either Windows or Mac and a cable that you can use to plug in your device to your computer. And now if you're using something like a MacBook, you're probably going to need a lightning port or whatever this end is to USB-C. But on Windows, obviously you can just use any kind of like USB type A cable with this kind of ending right here that plugs into your phone, obviously. Now going back to Windows side, you do need to download iTunes if you don't have it yet on your computer, and this can be easily done by going into Microsoft Store. So let me just quickly show you. There we go, Store. Once it loads, bear with me, this computer ain't the fastest. We can search for iTunes, which actually shows up because I already searched for it. And there we go. So from here you would normally see the option to get, but I assume because I already have it, it's not giving me. Oh no, there it is. That's weird. I already have it, so I'm not exactly sure why it's showing me up the option to get it. Maybe there's a newer version, that's why. But anyway, once you have iTunes, you can launch it, and obviously it will look something like this. So right now we can plug in our phone. If you're plugging in your device for the very first time to your computer, it will give you a page with two options to either set up the device as new or restore it from a backup. Now, assuming you want to create a backup, restoring is not really a great option. So set it up as new. And that will then give you this page right over here. So from here, you simply want to select Backup Now, which the device actually, or technically the program, backs up the device right when you plug it in. It was visible for a brief moment. Let me just repeat this so you can see. It's going to be right where the Apple logo is showing up, right here. As you can see, backing up. And should be complete in a second. So right now it's backing up on its own. So that's one of the things, but you can back it up manually. Now you do have two options of doing so. You can do it either to your computer or to iCloud. So let's go back to our phone right here. And in the summary tab, you have the backups right here. Manual backup and restore. So you have the backup, and you can select to either back it up to iCloud or this computer. And you can also, on your computer, select that you want to encrypt it if that is something that you want to do. Obviously, choose whichever one you prefer more. I would probably recommend selecting iCloud over the computer, just because if something happens to your computer, if you perform a reset of your computer or whatever, then you will lose the backup. While on the iCloud, it's just being kept on Apple servers, not taking any of your space on the computer, and you can access it whenever you need. So that's what I would be probably leaning towards myself. So from here, once you select either one, you can select Backup Now. As you can see, it's right now in the process of backing it up. And that's it. And now when you, for instance, restoring the device, you should see a restore from basically the time right now. So anyway, that is how you can create a backup of your iOS. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.